and nice view to the sky, amazing things. But we tend to see the beauty around us. How beautiful a moon, like as if it's going to birth, you get birth out of. The view of sky is something amazing. It cannot be imagined. It cannot be anything else. We cannot even create as such how this has been made. There is a kite flying right now. Amazing with the view. World is so beautiful. And but we tend to forget. We tend to forget it. Life is so amazing, guys. It is sweet for those who take it sweet, and it's bitter for those who take it bitter. But sometimes it may be the opposite. But still, life is so beautiful and it's so worthy. We can't even imagine